In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag sign-up forms Klaviyo. First, what you have to do is to go to, of course, sign-up forms, click any sign-up form here, and edit. So go to the last part of your form. For example, this one, this SMS opt-in, that's the last step before success. Click that. So after clicking it, you need to click Add Blocks, add a button here at the last part. For the list to submit, click the list, and then after submit, this one should be show next step. For the submit hidden fields, you'll need to click for the profile property, whatever tag that'll be. For example, country. For example, country, you can just search for that, or if you can see it from the drop-down box, you can just click variable. Then for our value, just leave it as it is. So now you can publish changes after doing these steps. That's about it. That's how you can tag sign-up forms in Klaviyo. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.